How to make a collection in Shopify. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you how you can make collections and add it to your stores. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the products section. Now, right under the product section, you have the collection section. So collections are made from different numbers of products. So let's say I'm going to come to products. I'm going to click on add product, and I'm just going to create 3 to 4 stock products. All right. So here's one product. I'm going to save this, and we're going to save another product. Okay. Here's another product. Click on add product over here. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Okay. And once that is added, I'm going to go ahead and back out. We're going to go over to collections. And in collections, what we're going to do is we're going to click on create collections. Now, once you click on create collections, you can give it a name. Like, let's say I'm going to call it winter sale or something like that. And then it says add products to this collection one by one. So how do you add products one by one? Let me show you. You're going to save this collection like that. And once the collection is saved, you're going to back out. You're going to go to products. You're going to go to products, the products that you want to, mess around with. You're going to go on them. So once you're on the correct product, from here is where you're going to choose the collections. Okay. So let me just wait for this to load up. And this basically allows us to fully control the work we're doing, because the different products that we choose to mess around with, or the different products that we work with, have different corresponding collections inside it that you can obviously go ahead and edit. So once you're over here, simply go over to the collection section, choose the collection you want to add your product into, click on save, and that is how we're going to create collections in Shopify. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.